55, 65, 75, 85, 95. Wondering what these numbers are? Maybe this is the number that you recently saw on your mark sheet. Yes, ये वीडियो खास उन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए है जिनका आज 10th और 12th का रिजल्ट आया होगा. I'm sure some of you are very happy with your result and some of you are not very happy. It's okay. Let me start with the video by saying that it is okay. Now, a lot of pressure is created, I'm sure, because बहुत सारे लोगों ने आपको पूछा होगा कि आगे क्या करना है, आगे क्या पढ़ना है. बहुत सारे लोगों ने आपको बहुत आइडियाज भी दिए रहेंगे. I'm sure some of the ideas are really nice. Some of the ideas are a little okay. बहुत सारे इंडस्ट्री एक्सपर्ट्स हैं जिन्होंने आपको बताया होगा कि इसी इंडस्ट्री में चले जाओ. क्यों? क्योंकि शायद वो उनको बहुत पसंद है. आपके पेरेंट्स ने आपको बोला होगा कि ये करियर चॉइस कर लो क्योंकि ये शायद उनको अच्छा लगता है. एंड इट इज ऑब्वियसली आउट ऑफ केयर एंड कंसर्न एज वेल. बट इन दिस एंटायर स्टोरी माई फ्रेंड्स, किसी ने ये पूछा है कि आपको क्या करना है. सोचने वाली बात है या नहीं? यस, आफ्टर ऑल, इट इज योर करियर, your choice and your life. Now let us start thinking and creating a little beautiful picture. You have a percentage right now. You make your career choice. आप स्टडी करते हो और आगे जाके जॉब करते हो या बिजनेस करते हो, एक क्रिएटिव आर्टिस्ट बनते हो, जो भी बनना चाहते हो वो बन सकते हो. बट ये देखो कि आर यू गोइंग टू बी वेरी वेरी हैप्पी इन द नेक्स्ट 10 years, 20 years, 40 years? सोचो. This is what life is all about, my friends. So how do we understand that what is our career choice and what can be the best for us? So the numbers that you see on your mark sheet, do you think that they define your life, and is it a big reality? A few years down the line, my friends, you will actually forget these numbers. इतना शायद मैटर भी नहीं करेगा. So ये मैसेज खास 10th और 12th के जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिन्होंने अभी कंप्लीट किया है और उनका रिजल्ट आया है, खास उनके लिए है. Also for the parents, that please do not take pressure of these marks. Let's relax. How do we relax? By helping the student understand that what is his or her best passion. उनको करना क्या है लाइफ में. And this is where we want to help and support and guide them. How do we do that? Let us do that by understanding the top 3 crucial factors here. Number 1, your career should be the definition of your passion. Something that you love. Something that you want to do. Something that you can do 24/7. सोचने वाली बात नहीं है. Just you're in action. You love it so much so that आप कभी उसमें थकोगे नहीं. Point number 2, somebody else's definition of a career choice should not become your reality. Somebody else's thought should not become your reality. And point number 3, my friends, I know it's just a temporary point, but this career choice is only one single career choice. You have to stick with it for a long time. Obviously, you can change later on if you're not happy, but why to make the wrong choice if you can make the right choice now? So yes, my friends, a little recap, this reminds me of my education days. I was a very average student as well. I got about 70s in 10th and about 60s in 12th. And after my 12th, a lot of pressure about doing what needs to be done because a lot of friends are doing. I got into engineering. And then obviously there was a slight hint of architecture as well. But all these things are history now. I'm doing today something that I'm very passionate about. Helping people, guiding people, motivating them. And that's why I feel your career should be, again, a definition of what you love and what you're passionate about. So yes, guys, I hope this video helps, and please share this video to maximum of your student circle and your parent circle so that they get the right message of making the right career choice. Till then, I wish you all the very best, a lot of love and luck. My name is Dinesh, your success and happiness coach. Life is good. Make it awesome.